Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to change your default mail app on your iPhone. In my case, I want to change it from default mail app to the Gmail app. So if I tap on an email right now, it'll open up the mail app which comes as default with iOS 14. I want it to open in Gmail instead. You need to install the mail app, so I have Gmail already installed on this. You can do this on any other mail app. So to change that, you need to go into settings, then scroll down and find Gmail and tap on that. Find default mail app and change it from mail to Gmail. Press the home button and now go back to your contacts. Tap on an email and it should open up in Gmail. And there you go guys, that is how to change your default mail app on your iPhone. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.